Moving to Mars, yes or no? No. We all know pollution is bad, but how much of the truth do we really know? Well, let's start off with how many people are affected each year. Any guesses? Jerome?
2 million.
No.
50 million.
150 million.
Each year, 100 million people are affected by pollution. And that's just people we're talking about. Think about the plants, the environment, or even the animals. You may be thinking, well, we can just recycle more. Actually, that would only help decrease one of the types of pollution. There are 5 types of pollution: land pollution, water pollution, air pollution, light pollution, and sound pollution. That's a lot of different types of pollutions. And some people were thinking we should take everyone responsible for water pollution on Earth and send them to Mars, or just pollution in general. It was so simple that even Patrick understood their tactics. That brings up the question, is it even possible to move to Mars? Well, it is. We would just have to create heated and pressurized environments because it's very cold on Mars and there is low air pressure. You would also have to wear a spacesuit because of the constant radiation streaming from space. We would also have to find out a way how to melt the ice caps for water, so we can use that to make usable air and rocket fuel. You may be thinking that's a lot of things to do. Well, we also would have to consider a food source, which would be hard because the soil on Mars is toxic from the radiation. We could put it through a decontamination process, or we could use hydroponics. Hydroponics is growing plants without soil but using water. Some scientists were considering genetically modifying human DNA to have humans meet the planet's shortcomings. This may all seem worth it in the end, but it comes at an astronomical price, which is out of this world. Just getting to Mars alone would cost $100 billion through NASA, $36 billion through SpaceX, and $30 billion through the Mars Society. It costs so much more through NASA because it's a bigger ship, so it can hold more mass. For 120 meters of living area, it would cost $267 million. The total cost would be around $121 billion. So my solution comes back to saving the planet. You may be like I talked before earlier, we can do that by decreasing pollution. Ways we can decrease pollution is creating more renewable energy sources like solar panels and creating more light rails. And that's just a few of the endless possibilities to decrease pollution.